The year 2023 was nothing short of a roller coaster ride, from the biggest bank failures to the biggest mergers. Here's a look at the top 10 events of 2023 that shook the world of business and finance worldwide. I'm Neha Vashishth Mahajan. Let's take a look. Number 10. Tata IPO. Tata Group's IPO after nearly 20 years definitely saw a big hype in the stock market. Tata IPO had one of the best listings seen in the last 2 years. The shares of the company listed at a whopping 140% premium and got bids worth 1.5 lakh crore rupees for the IPO in November. Number 9. Sensex touched the 70k mark. After a long waiting period of over 2 years, BSE's Sensex touched the psychologically important level of 70,000 in December. The last 60,000 mark was touched in September 2021. Notably, Sensex hit its all-time high days after the results of the assembly elections were announced. Number 8. Reliance Geo Dem Merger. Reliance announced the demerger of its financial services business in July and renamed the business to Jio Financial Services or JFSL. After the demerger, JFSL became India's newest NBFC. The stocks of JFSL debuted on stock exchanges in August end. Number 7. Nifty touched the 20,000 mark. Nifty touched the important mark of 20,000 in September 2023. The milestone was achieved despite all the noise around inflation, rate hikes, and high crude prices. The 50 stock index gained about 4% in just 7 trading sessions before it hit the 20k mark. Number 6. 4 trillion market cap of Indian market. Indian equity market achieved the coveted milestone of $4 trillion in November as the total market cap of all BSE listed stocks hit an all-time high figure above the 333 lakh crore rupees mark. The Indian stock market is ranked 5th in terms of market value behind the US, China, Japan and Hong Kong. Number 5. The collapse of SVB, Signature Bank, First Republic Bank and Silvergate Bank. The top regional banks in the US fell down to their knees in 2023. Silvergate Bank, a top crypto lender in the US, announced self-liquidation in March after the collapse of crypto exchange FTX. Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank too collapsed after many big investors took out billions post-US Fed interest rate hikes. First Republic Bank also shut down due to paper losses but was later acquired by JP Morgan Chase. Number 4. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried case. Sam Bankman-Fried, who once ran one of the world's biggest crypto exchanges, FTX, was found guilty of fraud and money laundering in November 2023. Fried was held responsible for orchestrating possibly one of the biggest financial frauds in history. The total money swindled was estimated at $8 billion. Number 3. Go First Bankruptcy. The failure of Go First marked the biggest airline collapse in India since Jet Airways. The low-cost carrier filed for bankruptcy protection in May 2023, citing losses due to COVID-19 pandemic, increased fuel costs and engine procurement issues. Go First blamed Pratt and Whitney for its failure, stating that the non-supply by the engine maker grounded most of its fleet. Go First is currently in the middle of its insolvency process. Number 2, we have HDFC-HDFC Bank merger. Housing finance major HDFC and HDFC Bank merger can be deemed as the biggest merger in Indian corporate history. The mega merger took place in July and made HDFC Bank the world's top 7th lender. Its current market cap is 13 lakh crore rupees. And number 1, we have Adani Hindenburg Saga. Adani Group saw its worst fall in 2023 when US-based research firm Hindenburg released a report in January 2023 alleging that the group was engaging in stock manipulation and accounting frauds. This report caused a lot of damage to the Adani Group and its stocks, which fell over 65% by Feb 2023. Although many Adani stocks bounced back significantly from their lows throughout the year, the group's market value is still about $60 billion short of the pre-Hindenburg level. Well, that is all for today. Stay tuned to ET Markets for more.